welcome to Jam. Okay, today I would like to ask, why do we need to go to spa to make face treatment? For me, I go to spa because I want to remove dead skin on my face and then the clogged pores. In this pandemic situation, it's really hard for me to go to the spa anymore. So, do you want to know what product that I use at home and the effect is same and similar to the spa result? With this CareCella Venus Peel Powder and Serum, you can just do your face treatment and massage at home. Okay, let's have a look inside. So inside is like this. This is the serum and also this is the powder. What you can get in this one box is one empty container, one spatula, and also 20 pieces of serum and 10 container of Venus Peel powder. Okay, so I will guide you how to use and explain what is the benefit for this product. This is the new concept of physical peeling, straighten up skin barriers with the micro needles Venus flower basket. CareCella Venus Peel using the high pure micro needle crystal extracted from the sea sponge that the formula is by our General Bio own technology. Inside of this box have 20 pieces of CareCella Venus Peel serum and also we have 10 container of CareCella Venus Peel powder. Okay, so now I will show you how to mix it up. So now I will explain to you how to use. Take the empty container, please clean it up first, and then take one pouch of CareCella Venus Peel serum and just open like this. So we are using it for the whole pouch. Okay, and then open up the Venus Peel powder. Okay, so we just need to use half of it. Just put half. And mix it up. So the texture will be like this. Okay, just mix it up together. So it will look like this. Now this is the best part that I really excited to show you all. Okay, so first please clean up your face, and then if you have any pimple, just pinch and extract it first. Okay, then you can start apply it all over your face. You can use your hand or any brush you want. Okay, so now just apply. Please avoid your eyes and mouth area. Okay, so for others, you can just apply it as usual. Okay, you can use this CareCella Venus Peel powder once a week. Okay, so only once a week. Please apply it gently and make sure all over your face is covered up with this Venus Peel. So after finish all the steps, you just need to wait for 5 to 10 minutes and then just rinse it off with lukewarm water. For the timing, you just can use it at night, and after you wash and rinse, directly go to sleep and wait tomorrow morning, clean it with cleanser, and you can feel your face really soft and strengthened and also fit. Okay, it's easy step, easy, simple, and compact to make it at home. So as usual, if you want to know more about Gcoop and CareCella product, you can just follow our official Facebook page, Gcoop Malaysia, and also please visit our official website www.gcoop.com. So I will see you in the next video. Bye!